People with disabilities make up 16% of our global population, so we cannot be designing solutions to global problems without considering people with disabilities. Climate change is one of the big challenges, one of the grand challenges that people with disabilities living in cities will be facing.
With climate change, you get increasingly unstable weather patterns, increasing levels of heat. Climate disasters like storms, accessible cities can become inaccessible if you put a flood or a hurricane into the urban mix. So we did a state-of-the-art review, and then we used that to bring people together in a round table.
We held it here in Marshgate in the UCL East Campus during London Climate Week.
Asking experts, activists, policymakers, practitioners, and people with lived experience of disability to discuss these issues together.
Good design has to be inclusive. There's no two ways about that.